In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to create a roaming profile and home folders. So what is a roaming profile? A roaming profile allows users with a computer joined to a Windows Server domain to log on to any computer on the same network and access their documents and have a consistent desktop experience. Okay, so let's begin. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go to my server. Alright, and you'll see that my 3 clients are connected, and I'm going to show you also that they are on the same domain, larenard.com. Next, I go to my Windows Server 2008, go to my computer, I go to my local drive, C drive, and I'd create a folder. I'll name it roaming. I'd right click on it, go into properties, go into sharing and share. Click on this tab, I click everyone, I add. I'll give the users that I've created, going to be creating, I'll give them a permission, give them corner. Alright, folders here, we click done. You want to do is share. What you'll want to do is highlight network part of the folder. We're going to use that after we've created the user, and we can click close here. We go to start, we go to administrative tools, we go to Active Directory users and computers. Alright, we right click and we click go to new and user. Alright, and this is where we set up all the credentials for a user. So in this case I'll name it Trey, last name Larenard, give the user username Trey DRE, so we can select next. Alright, so this would be the login in the larenard.com domain. Click next. I'll give it a password and name it P @SSW 0RD 4321. Repeat that password again, capital P @SSW 0RD 4321. And for this tutorial, I would select password never expires, but it is an unsafe practice. What you'll always like to do is give the user options whether they can change the password next log on, or even cannot change, or that sort of thing. But in this case I'll leave it as password never expires, so I click next and then we click finish. And again I go into my user, my properties, I go back on my profile, and for part file I would paste the part of the folder, the network out of the folder we created. I also will click backslash % username %, which will automatically pull the user I've created. If not, I could have just simply put backslash and enter the username. Alright, and I click apply. Alright, there are also some other fields here that you can play around with, like put in an address, adding some more general information, and stuff like that. Alright, in order to fill a complete profile. Alright, so I will click OK. Alright, I'll minimize my Windows Server. Okay, so now I'll go to my Vista machine and I'll log in. Right, and what I want to do now is make some changes. So I will change my desktop background. Probably change the solid colors. I would choose maybe let's select the white. I'll also create a folder on here called, I'll name it test 123. Right, and now let's log off this profile, which is our Visa client, and go to our Windows 7 client and log in with the same user and password. And we should see a white desktop with a folder test 123, and this basically completes our roaming profile. Alright, as we can see, the changes on one client was made, and then we logged in and we saw the same changes being made on the other clients. So our roaming profile was set up successfully. Next, I'd want to do our home folders, demonstrate that. So a home folder is a private network location where users can store personal files. It is stored in a shared folder on a network server. When a home folder is created on a network server, users can access it from any computer on the network. So, alright, so that's basically the definition for a home folder. So let's begin. So we go back to our Windows server, and in the C drive we also want to create a folder. We'll call it home. Right, so next we follow the same steps when we created the roaming folder. So we go into right click on the file, properties, we go into sharing. Alright, network path, so we share, go down to select everyone, we add, and we give the permission level as co-owner, and we share. Alright, we click done, and then we'd want to copy again the network path, click close. Okay, so next we go to our Active Directory on our server machine, and then for the user we've created, right click, we go into properties, we go into profile, and down here where it says home folder local path, we're going to click connect, and the path, folder path, we're going to paste. Alright, we do the same thing as I said before, backslash percent username percent apply. Alright, this is optional. If you wish, you can select change the drive letter. In this case, I'll probably save it as X. Click apply. Folder this, do you want? Yes. I will click OK. Alright. Next, I'll minimize my server. I'll log into my Vista client. Alright. And what I should see when it boots up is I go to my computer, that folder part here has been shared. Alright, I don't have anything in it at the moment, but this is what creating a home folder is. So I can back up my files, and it is accessible via any of the other clients on the right. So I'll demonstrate. Maybe we can hold on, maybe I can probably save something in the folder. the same test123. I'll copy it into my folder, and I'll go back to my server. Alright, and as you can see, the folder test123 is there. So as we can see, we have successfully created our home folders for file sharing and backup purposes, and we've also completed our room info files. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching.